Hi folks, we've been busy researching drum sets for beginners to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump straight to the drum set that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what drum set you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best drum sets for beginners. The fifth product on our list is the Rise by Sawtooth. It features an eye-catching design that you're sure to love. You can choose from 3 colour options: Crimson Red Sparkle, Pitch Black and Storm Blue Sparkle. The Rise by Sawtooth drums come as a full-sized 5-piece set, perfect for beginners who want an instrument that will last as they progress. There's a bass drum, toms, a floor tom and a snare drum. You'll also get a hi-hat and cymbals to give you that complete drummer experience. For accessories, Sawtooth includes a bass drum pedal, drumsticks and a drum key, which means you can start playing on the Rise as soon as it's assembled. The Rise by Sawtooth drums also has an excellent quality build. The drums themselves are made of 6-ply poplar shells that give you great resonance and keep the drums durable. They also have 45-degree bearing angles, which gives you more attack and sustain to produce a modern drum sound. Another motivation to get the Rise drum set is that it comes with tons of free lessons for beginners by top artists like Ronnie Siago and Vinny Appice. This is a helpful tool for those who are starting from scratch. Of course, the Rise by Sawtooth comes with a detailed instruction manual to help you assemble the set efficiently. Here's something you should know before buying the Rise by Sawtooth drums. Users note that the cymbals can sound tinny, so you might want to swap them for better ones. If you're a beginner looking for an affordable yet quality drum set, the Rise by Sawtooth is a great choice. The fourth product on our list is the Ludwig Accent Drive LC175. The Ludwig Accent Drive LC175 is a complete acoustic drum set that will give beginners a solid foundation. It features a sleek aesthetic with its black design and chrome hardware as an accent. This gives it that rock and roll vibe that musicians love. The great thing about the Accent Drive LC175 is that it comes with all the accessories you'll need to play right out of the box. First, the set comprises a bass, mounted toms, a floor tom and a snare. You'll also get a crash ride cymbal and a hi-hat. Of course, you get all the necessary stands in the kit, all of which feature a tripod design to give you a solid base and help for easy storage and transportation. You'll also get a bass pedal, drumsticks and a foldable chair or drum throne, so you can play comfortably. The sound of the drums is fantastic. You get deep resonance with a rich attack. As a beginner, you can get the Accent Drive LC175 and expect it to last as you grow into a better musician. Another selling point of these Ludwig drums is the build quality. The hardware is double braced and meant to endure years of use and abuse. Many users have noted that these drums will last a long time, so they're also perfect for lessons. Here's something you should know before buying the Ludwig Accent Drive LC175. You might want to replace the cymbals to get a nicer sound. The Ludwig Accent Drive is definitely worth considering if you're looking for a beginner drum set that won't break the bank, yet still has excellent quality. The third product on our list is the Pearl Roadshow. The Pearl Roadshow drum set is a professional quality kit at a very good price. Of course, it has a fantastic look with its wine red exterior and chrome hardware that gives an eye-catching colour contrast. It comes as a complete 5-piece kit with all the accessories you need to start playing right off the bat. You'll get a bass drum, a snare, rack toms and a floor tom. The drums have a solid build that gives them excellent tonality. They feature a 6-ply and 7mm poplar hardwood shell with a hand-cut 45-degree bearing angle. This gives your drums a single air resonance chamber to give you a sharper attack. It also makes the head easier to tune. Adding to its durability are the triple-flanged steel hoops which protect the edges of your drumhead. This ensures that the Pearl Roadshow drum kit will last you a long time. You also get cymbals and hi-hat along with their dedicated double-braced stands. The stands are height adjustable, which is excellent for younger players. You'll also get a bass drum pedal, maple drumsticks with their own bag and a drum throne. Here's something you should know before buying the Pearl Roadshow. Users note that assembling the drums can be a little challenging for beginners. The Pearl Roadshow is the way to go if you're looking for a robust beginner drum set. You'll love the tone of these drums and their build quality. The second product on our list is the Gretsch Catalina Club. Gretsch has always been the brand to turn to if you want guaranteed sound quality. The Gretsch Catalina Club Drums is a premium drum set that beginners and professionals alike will enjoy. The first thing you'll notice about this set is its groovy colour scheme. It features a yellow satin flame colour scheme with chrome hardware to accentuate. The Catalina Club drums genuinely stand out on stage, one of its selling points. This is a 4-piece drum kit, so you'll get a bass drum, a snare, a tom and a floor tom. The shining aspect of this Gretsch instrument is the build quality. It features drum shells built from 7-ply mahogany. Mahogany as a tone wood produces a more prominent lower end. This is beneficial when maximising the near-field response of the drums. Another great thing is that Gretsch gives these drums 30-degree bearing edges, so you'll get a drier and sharper tone. Finally, you'll appreciate that the bass drum is only 14 inches deep. This means that you'll be moving less air and can be quicker with your attack. This will give you a lot more areas for expression. Here's something you should know before buying the Gretsch Catalina Club drums. Some users may dislike that it doesn't come with cymbals and a hi-hat. If you're in the market for quality that won't disappoint, build and sound-wise, the Gretsch Catalina Club is an excellent choice. The first product on our list is the Tama Imperialstar. The Tama Imperialstar has one of the best value to price ratios on the market. You get 5 drums and all the accessories you need to get started. Starting with the Imperialstar's look, you get a sleek matte black design that looks premium up close and on stage. You'll notice that the drum wrappings are durable because Tama glues the entire wrap to the shell, ensuring their durability. The lugs are also smaller. An advantage of this is that you get more resonance and a better tone. The Tama Imperialstar comes with 5 drums, a bass drum, a snare, rack toms and a floor tom. These drums feature a poplar hardwood shell which offers you a warm tone with a mid-range attack. It also features Tama's precisely cut bearing edge, keeping your drum's tone accurate. Of course, to complete the package, the Imperialstar comes with Meinl cymbals and a hi-hat, each with dedicated stands. The set also comes with a bass drum pedal and drum throne for a seamless experience. Here's something you should know before buying the Tama Imperialstar drum kit. It doesn't come with drumsticks, which may be a hassle for some users. The Tama Imperialstar is a no-brainer purchase if you're looking for reliable quality and sound. And there you have it, folks, the 5 drum sets for beginners that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on closed back headphones for monitoring on the left, or this one on drum microphones on the right. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.